Good morning, DJ. Good morning. Good morning, Daily Journal. It's Thursday, January 30th. The time is currently 8:13 a.m. We're like 2 minutes early in this bitch. What's up, DJ? What's up? Um, I washed my hair yesterday, so you already know what the deal is. I don't know what the science is behind that, but every time I wash my hair, I get sick for the next few days. Maybe it's because of the water. I'm in the water for too long. Being in the cold, being in the heat and then stepping out into the cold. I don't know. I don't freaking know. But every time I wash my hair, I get sick. But anyway, I shall digress and we shall continue with what we're here to do today. Okay, let's go. All right. So today I woke up at a decent time, actually. I'm actually happy with myself with the time I woke up today. I'm still not where I want to be, but it's closer to where I want to be. Okay. I woke up today at 7:22. Okay. Didn't get up actually until like 7:30 something. Okay, but I woke up, I hydrated, I wrote down my goals, I stretched and meditated, and also I read as well. Okay. So I did everything on my morning routine. Okay, did get to my desk for like 8:30. I literally just got to my 8:12. I'll say 8:11, 8:12 roundish. All right, got to my desk for that time. So as always, my weekly target is 5%. Oh, time my desk. I got to my desk at 8:30. I didn't know how to question that. That's crazy. Let's say 8:12. As always, my weekly target is 5% and my daily target is my two bullets. Okay. Just do a mental check-in. How am I feeling today? I'm feeling pretty good. Okay. I don't know. I don't know what else to say other than I'm feeling pretty good when it comes to this question, really and truly, because that's just how I feel. I don't feel no type of way, or there's like I said yesterday, there's nothing really mentally that's like in the forefront of my mind that will affect me going into trading. Okay, but I'm feeling pretty good, excited to see what price action has in store for us today. I'm excited every day to gain more experience in these markets. Okay. I accept any risk that comes with trading today. I understand that trading comes with real risk and that losing is part of the game. Let's go. Risk disclaimers accepted. All right, so today, Thursday, January 30th, we have high impact news coming out 8:30. That's why we out here. And then we have medium coming out 10 and 10:30. All right, so we have news, so we can go ahead and proceed to determine our risk today. Okay, and yesterday I did take a trade. Okay. Um, it was technically that it hit TP1, the trade that we was in that was taking so long that I knew not to get in a trade before FOMC because it was gonna do that. That was a lesson well learned. I don't like those kind of trades where I'm in there and it's just not going to my target, or not going to my target, but like it's taking a sweet time, just la di doing its own thing, not going to where I want it to go. It's frustrating and I don't want to be in those trades. So at least I was able to learn that from that experience yesterday that FOMCs, I'm just gonna scrap it from my my trading, my live trading anyway. I'm gonna scrap it from the FOMC mornings, scrap that. I understand why ICT said just wait for the PM sessions. Just wait for the PM session, okay? All right. It hit TP1 and then it came to take us out. At obviously half risk because we took one off at TP1. So I would say it was a win and a loss technically. 15 and it came to take us out at 87. So yeah, we were down. Yeah. So I'll say it was a loss. It was a loss of $37 or $36, I believe, if my math is correct. Leverage was 2. Okay. It was not my consecutive loss for the day. Okay. If it was, obviously I'll be down trading for the day, but it wasn't my consecutive loss of the day, which means half risk, if not at min. 2 is really already my minimum, so we'll be leaving at 2. I'm leaving at 2 because I want to be able to take something. I want to get to the point where I can take something off. Yeah, so let's go ahead. My weekly condition, I'm in a buy program this week. Okay, so let's go ahead and review price action overnight to see if anything's changed that affects my weekly program. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. Let's double check for his factory, but he's gonna do his dumb shit. Yeah, I don't know. I just don't know. why I have to just change this every freaking time. And it's not even giving me the correct week. What the fudge cake? Blood. Show me the proper week. We're in dog. Thursday, 8:30, 8:30. Okay. Still high impact here. All right, cool. Just always, I don't really need it, but I like to check. Stop plus order executed. Your mama. Let's go ahead and blow this bitch up. Oh, mate. All right, dollar bill, y'all. All right, dollar. Just still hasn't fully closed in the weekly CB. Okay, that's my draw liquidity for dollar. All right, we retrace back into the order block. All right, that caused the expansion to the upside in this BC as well. Okay, so I'm anticipating for price to go higher from here. Okay. Daily, as you can see, I've changed it a little bit. I've added this is the monthly highs and lows, okay, for the last 3 months, and this is obviously weekly highs and lows for the I believe it's last 5 weeks. And this 4 hour has the day, monthly, the weekly, and the daily on there. Daily is about, I think it's about how many days is that? I will look back. 10 days on the days, okay. So it looks like a lot going on, but I understand what's going on. It's just my liquidities, okay? I need to be aware of them, and it obviously will make it easier for me to gauge the draw on liquidity as well. Okay, so we have a bunch of monthly highs here, so that could be a long-term draw for dollar. Okay, but for now, this is my draw to completely fill in the inefficiency on the weekly time frame. As you can see, prices kind of consolidating in here in this 4 hour CB. Okay, that really should be keeping price down, but once we're above it, it should support price in going higher. Okay, so I want to see dollar and dollar higher, meaning NQ should be going lower, but they can move together as well. Okay, we have this gap here on dollar. Okay, that price might want to revisit. Okay, and fill it out before continuing going higher. Okay, so from my current understanding of dollar, of price action, that's how I see where dollar's going. Okay, so NQ, we came remember we had the rejection block. I took it off because it was just I didn't want to see on there. But anyway, came down to the rejection block. Okay, now we're expanding higher. Okay, we also have a monthly low here too that it came to grab the liquidity of, and now it's expanding higher. My drawn liquidity is up here on this monthly high. Okay, for NQ, we have relative equal highs here. All right. Then we have this high. Came down into the order block, okay, to the busy, okay, fair value gap busy in the daily chart, expanding higher. Currently inside. Like I said, my draw for this week was this Sunday drop, gap drop down. Okay, so that's where price seems to be heading. Okay, as you can see, yesterday PM session was a little bit confusing because it was like a back and forth, back and forth. But obviously there were still setups in there either way. I'll go ahead and explain it in a second, and we'll talk about it in a bit when I'm done here. But as you can see, rallied from used the BISI as support on the daily time frame, expanded higher. Okay, left the fair value gap with the order block, came back into the order block open here, completely filled in the fair value gap busy there. Okay, as you can see, the wicks do the damages. Okay, the wicks colored outside of the fair value gap into the order block open price. Okay, but the bodies of the candles are closing well at or above the consequent encouragement of that 4 hour busy. Okay, meaning that it's telling you that it wants to go higher. Okay, so from there it expanded higher, took this buy side, created a 4 hour busy in here, tiny one, but it's still relevant to price. Create a 4 hour busy. Oh, no, 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 no. No, no, not daily. No, no, no. 4 hour busy, all right. I want to see price. I want to see this keep price higher. Okay. come and fill in this gap from Sunday opening. All right, so for my current understanding of price action, okay, nothing has happened in price to change my weekly program. Okay, I'm still in that buy program. All right, let's go ahead and not note buy side and sell on M15 time frame because already noted for me. Genius. But let's go ahead and confirm, okay, that they translate over to the lower time frame, so we're able to see them on the M5 and M1. Okay, so because some of them, some of the weekly ones aren't able to transfer over to the lower time frames. I don't know. It's something about the script when you're trying to make an indicator. It's hard, I guess, to get it to show on the lower time frame. So, but anyway, digress and we move. All right, we have 6 minutes until the high impact news comes out. Let's go ahead and just confirm where highs and lows are at, okay? And then we'll go ahead and talk a little bit about yesterday's trading, PM session trading with FOMC, and we'll be in time for that news embargo. All right, so M15, okay, above price currently. Okay, we have uh previous daily high. We'll have a number. Oh, this is the previous daily high. Okay, currently this is the previous daily high for yesterday. Okay, right here. I believe is it though? Is it though? Is it really? No, it's up here. That's yesterday's high. Okay. Above price, we have this weekly high. Okay, we have this daily high in line with Asia session high. Oh no, it's London. London. Oh no, Asia's right here. Yeah, Asia's color is like mad. Oh, these things are mad thin, dog. I wish I could. How could I make them thicker? I wish I could make these lines thicker. Or like I don't know how to make them thicker because this shit is like. Oh, maybe I'll go inside the Pine script later and try to adjust it on there because these lines are like mad tiny on here. And especially because I got a dark background. It's crazy. But anyway, this didn't do anything. But yeah. All right, so I'll make sure to do that later because I can barely even see them. Anyway, so above price we have weekly buy side, we have a daily yesterday's daily high in line with London session high. Okay, that price is already engaged in, but it can also always be a factor for today because it's a higher time frame key level. Okay, above that we have London session high and we have this weekly high and daily highs above that. Okay, and this is obviously my drawn liquidity, that opening new week opening gap from Sunday. Okay. All right, below price, okay, we have London session low, which price is already engaging, but it can always still be a factor in price, okay? Okay, and below that, we have Asia session low, which price is already engaged in, okay, but as always, can always be a factor moving forward. Below that, we have AM session, no, I believe the PM session from yesterday, and we have yesterday's previous daily low down here. Okay, so also we have this weekly low down here as well. Okay, so that's our key highs and lows. See, this high isn't on there on the M5, on the M1, I mean. It's on the M5, but it's not on the M1. This high is fine. This high isn't on there. Yesterday's high is fine. Oh, the sessions I don't need to worry about, but these bad boys, sometimes they're not showing us what I'm talking about, you know. Let me check 1 hour real quick. I actually like the 1 hour, you know. It's like it's I'm gonna start including it in these in the mornings to look at it, okay, because I like it. Is 50 minute is good, but it's too much information sometimes. But 1 hour sometimes just cuts it, clear, so you exactly know the draw on liquidity. 15 minutes has a lot going on sometimes, but I like it too. It's my main intermediate time frame. Okay, so it's coming to this be seen here. Okay. There's no reason for price to come, or this is balanced, okay? So it's going to take a lot more effort for price to get back down here, okay? And there's no reason for it to even be coming, because it didn't completely fill it in, but yeah, from this price action is telling me that there's no reason for price to keep coming down. It wants to go up. Draw is up here, okay? New week opening gap. But yeah. All right. So madness. You got 1 minute. We'll talk about if we'll stay for the news, and if nothing obviously materializes during the news, we'll go ahead and talk about yesterday's PM session price action. But for now, we go 1 minute until the news comes out. So I want to be focused on that. Okay, because yeah, it wasn't yesterday, but it's on Monday. Um, I obviously missed a setup because I was too busy doing something else. But let's go ahead and get ready for that news to come out. Yo, I'm actually DJ. I'm actually thinking about upgrading my trading view account to see the seconds charts, the 30-second and the 15-second chart. I want to include that in my entry time frame because oh boy, those setups there, boy, be nice, boy. They be nice as fuck. So that's that. I'm gonna do that. I don't know if I'm gonna do that this week. This week's already done. So next week, starting next week, okay, I'll have a complete different layout, okay, that will show I want to see my entry time frames, right? I want to have the 15, I believe I want to have the 15 and the 1 hour there, and then below that news coming out now, I want to have 5, 1, 30, 15, those time frames. So I'm about to ditch that 5 minute, boy. I'm about to ditch 5 minutes. Oh wait, I'm about to ditch. I'm not ditching 5 minutes. But still, my entry time frames will be 1 minute, 30-second, and 15-second, and sometimes 5 minute. Okay, so this is the move right here. Okay, pre-session. We took Asia session low, swing low. Okay, displacement to the upside. No market structure shift. Okay, A minus up, but we have a fair value gap here. Bing bang, biggity wash. So it could be potentially just coming back into this fair value gap, okay, to continue higher. So, it's crazy that I was actually correct. This is well, I won't say this is the first time, but like I actually knew the draw on liquidity, and and it's actually like going there. I'm seeing it just from here. I was like, okay, gap down, went all the way down, took sell side here, left this gap here. Algo's gonna remember this gap, or I need to get back to this gap that I left up here. So that's just tricked you from thinking the beginning of the week that we're going lower. And it's like, psych, I'm coming back up here. What it does when it gets up here is unknown to me right now, but obviously price action will tell me that. Anyway, back here. Yeah, this is what's happening. Came back into here. Okay, now we're heading to buy side. We have London above price. Okay, and we have yesterday's previous daily high as well above price, which is this in line with London session high. London session high from yesterday. Okay, so the news brought it down to a key low here. Okay, it's Asia session low. Okay, took liquidity below that. Swing low, displacement to the upside. Let's see if we get a fair value gap here. Do it. Yeah, damn it. I was too late on that, probably. Yeah. Oh, I was way too late on that. Okay, I missed it. I'm gonna let it go without me. I'll tape read it. I have no qualms about it. I'm not doing them things there. So buy, so be -1, +1. Hey, come on. +1 is 4, -2, not 186. Stop. I was looking at Asia session low right here. Okay. The news, A30. Took that sell side. There is a tiny Beverly W. Yeah, we'll see. That one's happened after the news. Well, I'm happy and pleased. I missed the entry anyway, so it will be a good session to pay attention to. For a line delineate the news. Let's extend this sell side over. So we're aware of what we're looking at, and that we didn't just pull it out of our arse. I'm gonna make it 15, make it 2. Gauges discount. I can't see it now. That's not the Asia color. It's got price bad dog. Oh, snap is a London low, isn't it? It's a London low. Triple. Because I can hardly see these things right here. I need to adjust them. But it's a London low, which is pop. I need to make them the brightest. Oh, yeah, I need to make them bright colors up there. So these demos, shit. Yeah, even that would be better, wouldn't it? Yeah, for sure. So it's a London low. My fault, guys. I'm confusing myself, man. Yeah, like I said, this layout is gonna take some getting used to. Yeah, I need to brighten the colors. These colors, boy, they're dim. All right, after the news, okay, we're above a key high here. Swing high above it. Displacement back below that key high. All right. Yeah. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro. Yep. One is there. Oh, come on, man. Yeah, shake it, shake it. Sometimes things just happen for a reason. I was not supposed to be in that trade. So thank you. I'm happy to wait for 850 macro. Shake it, shake it. I feel your vibration. I wouldn't want to be gaining on this Ferrari gap. I would want to be gaining this one or this one. But it can create another setup here now. So let's see. We have this auto block with an efficiency here on the M15. Wow, at least you're not wearing your green Disney hoodie. Thank God for that. Shut your mouth. Shut your mouth. And focus on these candlesticks. Okay? Because that's what we're here for. Oh, I'm gonna be a hoodie chick, you know what I'm saying? I have a bunch of hoodies with my shit on it. With my shit on it. And that's all I'm gonna wear when I show up here. Tax write-off, baby, marketing. No, that's where I'm at, bro. I'm not spending it. If I can't write it off, I'm not spending it. Financial literacy is very important, which is well, which is my first pillar, all right, in learning to in being a successful trader. Okay. 10% to 1% club, okay? First pillar is money and mindset. You always have to get your money and mindset right. If that ain't right, everything here is gonna fall apart. Even if you make money here, is everything's gonna fall apart. That's where it starts. Then the second pillar, okay, that you have to master is risk management. It's the holy grail of trading. It's what will keep you in the game long after everybody else has quit, okay? Third, okay, and least important, it goes in order, all right? Third and least important, but it's also important, but it's the least important out of the three, is trade and edge, okay? So what is your edge? What is your alpha? How are you what is your strategy? What's your model? How are you seeking alpha in the market, right? How are you pulling what strategy are you using? Are you using to obviously make you money in the marketplace? Those are the three pillars you need to be a successful trader. So master those three and you're set, boy. Aye, aye, shake it, shake it. I feel your vibration. I think -1 here would have tagged you in this trade, you know what I'm saying? Let's see, what's the high? 684. So you began at 683. This is 68325. So yeah, I would have tagged you in. With a point take up. Let's see. The next news coming out, they're medium impact news. Okay, so we can take a trade before them, all right, because they're medium impact news. That's what I've realized from my back testing. Okay, might be different for everybody else, all right, but for me, 732. Let's see on the 30-second chart what was going on in there. You see that? 30 seconds charts would have gave you a trade, you know. It would have given you a bloody trade, you know. And this is why I'm going to invest in getting the 30-second charts on my shit. Because what are you talking about? Because what are you talking about? Eh, it wouldn't have given you 302, but still 202. I'm good with that. 202, take two profits, and you're at half risk. 58 is like minuscule, you know what I'm saying? 25, 429. Got it. You still would be in there. Still be in there. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna make that investment for sure, for sure. Excuse me. Bless me. Oh, it would have taken you out here. This candle would have taken you out. Thank you. Thank you. I also thank myself, okay, for being disciplined enough that when I missed that entry, I just said, fuck it, I'll take read and not feeling the need to actually be in there, right? Pleased with myself about that. Slowly but surely, I'm gonna get to where I need to get to, okay? And even though I want to get there quicker and faster, I cannot rush my progress. I cannot rush my journey. I'll get there when I get there. I just have to focus on getting 1% by every day and doing the right things on those days, okay? Every day. The rest will come. It will come. Patience, young warrior. Patience. I would need to see this candlestick here involved in a fair value gap for me to be interested. One, two, three, four. Aye, aye, shake it, shake it. I feel your vibration. Electricity, vibes and the frequency. Yeah. Love is not that deep. It's all about the energy, yeah. The mentality. But first, you must get that moolah. It's important. Not the end or be all, but it's important. See, when two key levels are in close proximity like they are now, we have a London session low here, and we have a previous daily high here. Okay, it's all about the time and what happens around that key level. Well, we made this jagged, so it has no reason to come back lower unless down here. But as on the what 1 hour time frame, it's done its job already. Even the 4 hours done its job, and it's coming to this. You see that? The job is done on the sell side, I believe, anyway, from my current understanding of price action, from what I can see. But we still do have on the M15, we have this order block here with the fair value gap. But hey, my job here is to hunt the setup and execute on the setup, okay? Everything else is a bonus for me. Knowing the draw on liquidity or where I believe my weekly program is going, that's a bonus, okay? I can come here and hunt the setup without knowing any of that. Yeah, and a potential swing high here, waiting for this candle to close. All right, guys, it's gonna be what it is. I didn't finish my hair, by the way. As soon as I was done, as soon as I got out the shower, I got a call to go do games. So hey, money was calling. All right, because swing high here, displacement, fair value gap there. Didn't give me a even give you a chance to to anticipate that. But let's see, and it's right before 850 macro, so we'll take read it. Selling, so it's -1, 4, +2, 6. Oh, I got the wrong freaking tool, which it don't matter anyway. It would have took you out. It would have smashed that shit. Yeah, stop loss would have been right here. It would have took you out, so no point. So 850. Now I wanna wait for the line to appear that tells me go and then go, right? So below key low, okay, swing low, we're displaced back above that key low. Market structure shift here, A plus set up. Let's see if we get a fair value gap here. It's not confirmed yet with this volume imbalance. But like I said, the job to the downside is done. Okay, the job to the downside from my current understanding right now is done. So let's get ready. I'm gonna get in that one. This one I will trade. First bullet of the day, about to activate. Put it in the chamber right now. Got to. I might hit, I might miss. It is what it is, but I'm following the plan, the processes, and the procedures I've set in place for myself. Okay, so I'm not feeling no type of way. I'm just here another day doing my job. What's the low of this? 2, 2, 2, 5, and I'm buying, so it should be 2, 3, 2, 5. 2, 3, 2, 5. I can get it. 2, 3, 2, 5. Oh, there it is. Bang. Bing bang biggity bosh. Not looking like it wants to come and tag me in there. It's not looking like it. Yeah, and that's the only place I would want to be getting in at. Risk is what, 61? And now we wait. Trader's done her job today. We wait. Still, this M5 trade still valid. Obviously, until this low goes, this trade is still valid on the M5. So it could have just been potentially just, oh, that's not, oh, that is M5. Oh, I need to change that because then, oh, okay, well, M1 hour still has that old look, so we'll keep it like that then. Let me know what the difference is. Yeah, so give me sequential encouragement. Yeah, let's see what this trade will be doing right now. Fine. So, this one, two, one. I believe 102 would already been here already. Yeah. Aye, aye, shake it, shake it. I feel you. I don't think it's gonna come tag me in. It was an M5 trade there. Let's see what the 30 seconds charts was saying though. Yeah, no entry there either. 15 seconds. You see? You see what I'm saying? Do you see what I'm saying and why I'm missing out and I need to invest in my education and my success? Do you see what I'm saying? Bing bang biggity bosh. One, two, three, four. Eh. Do you see what I'm saying though? Yeah, on the lower time frame, it's gonna have to be something different. One, two, three, four. Okay, maybe on the seconds chart, I can do 5 candlesticks, right? We'll see. I need to go. I need to collect data on that, which means I need to get access to that in order to collect data on it. But do you see what I'm saying, DJ? Do you see what I was just talking about? Why I needed to get the seconds chart. Do you see that? Look at that risk on that. Come on. 102 would have been smashed right now. Bing bang biggity bosh. He ain't gonna come tag me in. I know that. I missed the train. It was on the 15-second shot. It could come back, because this is a way lower time frame, but I freaking doubt it. But do you see what I'm saying? Do you see where I'm coming from? And why I say I need the seconds chart. I need access to it. It gives me like I'm able to capture the moves quicker. I'm able to get into because it starts the price action is fractal, right? It has a higher time frame objective. Yeah, that's the main thing. It has a higher time frame objective, and then the lower time frame just work together, okay? In no, I want is tandem the right word together? But they work together, okay, to obviously achieve the higher time frame goal of price action, which if you're in the obviously if you know what's happening in price and you have access to the lower time frame, the seconds chart, you're ahead of the curve, right? You're at the beginning stage of the move. It's also a double-edged sword because obviously you're more likely to get false setups, okay, because it's a lower time frame move. But obviously you have to be basing it based on the higher time frame, where the higher time frame is going, right? So with the model that I have going on, ooh, I can at least get something out of it, right? Even if it doesn't pan out, it gets me in. It will get me in at the early stage, all right? Because sometimes the 1 minute is not clear or it doesn't give me a setup. Okay, sometimes the 5 minute isn't clear or it doesn't give me a setup. Okay, this is why you need different multiple time frames because it's all the same price action on different time frames. It just doesn't matter the time frame. It's all the same price action. It's just the seconds chart, from what I'm understanding and from what I'm noticing, gets you in earlier. Okay, of the trade. It can still come back down. Okay, like to for like if you get on a 30 seconds chart. Okay, price can still come down and obviously still respect the 5 minute and give you a 5 minute entry. Wow, I know what I'm saying, but it's hard to explain. But yeah, that it, I said it this morning. I said it coming in, and then it just reaffirmed what I was saying. I need to see that. I need to see it because it gives me more data. It gives me more access, more opportunities. Are you seeing this, DJ? Are you seeing this with your two eyes? You're seeing it, right? Because I'm seeing it. I'm seeing it. I'm seeing it. It's going to TP2. Stop playing with them. It's all right. I missed it though. I'm gonna close this because it's gone. It's gone. It's gone without me. Oh, this shit is so much fun when you know what you're doing. Fucking hell. Fucking hell. You gotta be kidding me, bro. I believe no, that's a high though. I wouldn't be buying. I wouldn't be. Yeah, I wouldn't be looking to buy at a high. I'm selling at highs. But wow, 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 wow. Okay, let's go to M15. Let's draw this low out. and show it on here real quick. Wow, 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 wow. Jeans. This is the low. That's a madness, some badness. Well, even gives you another opportunity right here. Swing kilo, swing low, displacement to the upside, market structure shift, fair value gap. Stop playing with them. Stop it. Stop it. Okay? Stop it. I'm tired of you. I'm tired of you. This is how it always looks on the higher time frame. It's a down close. I'm starting to see the storyline. I'm starting to see the storyline between the time frames. Ah, wow, wow. Ooh, ooh, wow. I don't even want to go in a second, 5 seconds, because that's just OD. That is just OD, OD. I don't need that. I don't need to go lower than the 15 seconds, really and truly. I'm cool with where I'm at. Bruv, you would think I'm crazy if I didn't talk about it and you didn't see it happen just now, right, DJ? You would have thought I was a mad lady. Like I'm losing my goddamn mind. God damn it. Woo! Top step. You have no idea what's coming. TP2, bing bang, biggity bosh. Bob's your uncle, smashed. You'd be half in the wrist right now, which will be 34. Let's see if 302 is in the card. That'll just be not asking for too much, okay, because it's in line with my weekly draw liquidity, okay, which is up here. All right, so 1, 2, 3. All right, potential setup here on the M5 there. I'll pay attention. Potential setup on the M5. Potentially could be setting up something here on the M15, but is premature, okay? Premature on the M15, but M5 has been confirmed. Oh, mate! See, this is what I mean. This is what I was saying. I need access to those seconds chart because when the 1 minute doesn't give me my setup, I know it's on those time frames. I know it. Okay, I don't always know, but 80% of the time, I know. I don't want to say 100 and be wrong, you know what I'm saying? Because nothing's ever really 100%. Oh, mate. Wow. Do you think I've been missing out on all of those because I didn't have access? Well, I didn't have access to it. I had access to it, but I just didn't pay attention to it because it was already hard enough to know what the M1 and the M5 want to do. But now that I'm gaining more confidence in the model and the setup, okay, I can kind of incorporate these lower time frames. But if you're starting out, yeah, don't you're not on this level. Not to be rude or anything, but you're not on this level. Gain some confidence and some traction with the model on the 1 minute and the 5 minute time frame. And then once you're comfortable and obviously you understand the model and you're confident, you're able to execute on the model, okay, without hesitation, then obviously you can go ahead and allow yourself into the seconds time frame. But if it's not for everybody, it's not for everybody. Like trading, I always say it's a solo sport, okay? What what works for me or what I do, okay, may not work for the next person, all right? But this would have given you TP2 and you'd be at half risk, which is 34. Really and truly, what are you risking? You've taken two profits out. You minimize your risk as well. When you're taking profits out, you're minimizing the risk, and on top of that, you're also lowering the risk. So either way, you won't be losing nothing on this trade. So let's go. It was 67, right? Let's calculate our potential profit on this. What our potential profit would have been on that trade? 67. Okay, we'll be gaining that about 17 contracts, round that up to 18 contracts. Okay. Um, TP1 right here, you would have taken off 456, okay, and your risk is well. Well, no, TP2 you'd be at nine something, or let's say $1,000 already taken out. Yeah, $1,000, and you're moving the risk to 34. Yeah, I need to add risk on there, right? At each at each one, like what the risk will be, depending on the stop loss into. Well, yeah, I can do that shit real quick right now. But okay, yeah, no, let me. Mm, this times cost per tick. It wouldn't be. It, it wouldn't be cost per tick per se, because the contract size will need to be involved as well. I'll figure it out later. But yeah, I need to know what the cost of the trade is, and when I half the risk, where's my cost at? Where's my yeah, when I half the risk, what is the risk monetary wise, right? I want to see that. So yeah, I need to add that on there. Yeah, shake it could be potentially coming into the M5 setup here. Okay, still drawing a macro. One, two, three. This high isn't showing. Oh, it's showing on the M5, but not on the M1, so it's cool. All right. Let's see if there have been any false entries here and stuff. The news was here. Post the news. Come down in here. We had the setup here. We had this would have failed. This one, obviously, would have kept you in there. Oh, I want it. Yeah, I think on the lower, on the second time frame, I want it to be micro trades. Yeah, for sure, for sure. For sure, for sure. I want them to be micro trades. 202. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Let's see this 5-minute trade here. Stop would be a swing low. We're buying, so +1, -2, 102. Stop is at 162. It began tagged in here, or it be in that trade now. See if it yields you your 102. Let's see if it gets the DP1. And it's still drawing the macro, okay? So this would have been a perfectly good trade to be in. I just don't like M5 really and truly, but I'm okay with also tape reading too, okay? It builds character. I don't have to be in every single move. It also builds my confidence in the model. Aye, shake it, shake it. I feel your vibration. It's crazy. I wake up mad tired, but as soon as I get in front of these candlesticks, the energy just, I don't know where it comes from, but it comes. What a beautiful trade. What a beauty. What a beauty. Oh, excuse me. Electricity. Vibes on a frequency. Yeah. Life is very sweet, but first you must get that moolah. Bless me. Got it. Go come online. I see that. Get it off this whole time. I need to put out my line of glasses, boy. I need to put out a line of glasses. No more entries there. If the model's formed, okay, within this time period, you can obviously you can enter after the red shows up, okay. But if it hasn't formed, then obviously then you're done. You want to see the model form inside of that time frame, or be initiated already in that time frame. Totally fair. I'm wearing black to have a black processor. You don't see shit. You don't see me, but I can see you. Goddamn. All roads lead to take profits. All roads lead to TP1. Let's go. Hector says, psych, you thought you knew something. Whoa. I got all the letters, but they are wrong. I was sick. Bloody hell. I put the S at the end and I know the S doesn't even go there. False. What's the word? False. People said I ain't even giving you TP1, girl, because you're getting way too confident. I'm gonna shut you up. Don't get in over yourself. Go home early. So let people early to yesterday. Should have really went and brushed my teeth and things. Now I'm cutting it real close. I can still go. I got time till 9:50. No walking the dog this morning. It just says, you thought you knew something, girl. You thought you knew something. Whoa, it's a tad early there. It's not opening bell yet. Why did that just pop up? 25. Really not showing up yet. That's weird. Is it 9:30 though? You're saying that, but is it 9:30? Most definitely not 9:30, so I don't know why it's showing. But it would have came and left that trade. It would have came and left. But you would have got 202 on the M15, so I won't cry about that. Most definitely not. It would be in there, like swimwear, maybe. Now we're opening. It ain't even open yet. It's still 1 minute early. So we just stay here. It's just showing up because it wants to show up, bro. We ain't even start yet. You see that? Oh, we didn't talk about yesterday's trading, right? Oh, we didn't. We didn't talk about it. We didn't discuss it yet. Don't worry, we'll discuss. We'll discuss. We'll discuss. I just don't know what's going on here with this crap. Now it should be popping up. There we go. All right, it adjusted itself. Cool. All right. Okay. 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 We opened here. It's below price, so we gapped up. Let's confirm that. Yep, we get up. I forgot we didn't talk about yesterday's price. Yesterday's price action. Hold on though. Let me finish my workout here. Oh, ah. English. Powerful. Yeah. Right before opening bell. Key low down here. Swing low. Displaces up. Market structure shift. Fair value gap here. Let's see how it plays out. TP1 still wouldn't be hit yet on the 5 minute trade there. Oh my God. Three is two, three. Not no time, no time. Wasn't that great of a job. That's me. Above a key high to daily high, swing high, displacement back below that key high, market structure shift there. You have a fair value gap here, and we have a fair value gap here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it could be wanted to draw into consequent encouragement of the gap. Also, probably fill in the gap. It might not fill in the whole gap. We have this stopping it right here. It's not my job to, really understand at this point. I will go brush my teeth though and do my skincare, and I'll be back. All right, guys. Hold the fort down. You begin taking out this trade. Ifta said you thought you knew something, girl. Sit your ass back down. Don't get overconfident out here in these streets, all right? I still run things. Yeah, you run things, baby girl. You run the thing. You run the show. Run the show. It's your show. It's your show, okay? I'm just trying to participate in it, but it's your show. You're the lead. You're the lead. It's all about you, okay? It's all about you. All right, guys, I'll be right back. And when I come, let's talk quickly about yesterday's PM session trading, so I don't forget. And then I'll go ahead and when we're done there, go brush my teeth. Nothing for me to do at this time in price anyway, so we can discuss a little bit about the PM session. PM session. It was quite a lot going on, but it was also clear. This was the trade I was in. TP1 was right here, but came to take me out. Oh, let me show it. So so you mans don't think I'm out here just talking out my ass, you know what I'm saying? Where is it? Trade. This was it. It took me out at TP1, okay, and then it came to take the rest out for a loss of $87. Where's the date? 29/29, okay. 10:56, 10:56, 29. This is the same trade. This was the earlier trade I took and took a loss in. Okay, so there you go. No bullshit. It is what it is. I'm down $260. What am I going to do? Anyway, just get back to yesterday's trading. Start with the lunch. Start with the lunch. Because we did have a lunch session set up. Start with the lunch. Lunch session. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Boom, boom. This would have been a failed trade. Nothing wrong with that. But obviously you wouldn't be getting in prior to the news, all right? There was a trade here, gave you three take profits and came to take you out break even. The news, it was 2 o'clock and 2:30, right? We had the two, yeah, the one with the two. So news was 2 o'clock here and then 2:30 right here. 2:30 here. So post news, okay. Post news right here. All right. What does price do? All right. Let's put the line. Post news, okay. We go up, we come down, okay. We trade to and through. Open range session low for the PM session on the 5-minute time frame, which is here. It's different. It was different. Okay, so you have to be aware of that. When they're different, we have to note them. This is for the opening range for the 5-minute sell side. Let's make it 2. Sync and layout. As long as it doesn't show here. Okay. So post news, trade down, back below, a key low here, swing low, displaces up, fair value gap. Obviously, there was a 30-second chart time frame set up here. All right. But obviously M1 doesn't come and tag you in. No worries there. All right. 250. Okay. Key high, lunch session high, swing high, displaces back below the key high, fair value gap there. Yeah, fourth candle is involved in the fair value gap here. This just about gives you, I don't know if TP3 would have been tagged because it's right on the line, but it just about TP2 for sure gives you TP2. That was a setup there. Cool. Post 315, still the key high. Doesn't come and tag you in until 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the fair value gap I would be wanting to get in at. -1, but it doesn't tag you in. No problem. No problem. All right, 350 key low here. All right. Displaces a fair value gap. Okay, market structure shift. All right, comes and takes you out. Take a loss, no worries. During that same time period, we come down. That was a huge ass. We come down to that same key low, M5 opening range low. Okay, swing low, displaces up. This fourth candle here, and this from this swing low is not involved in the fair value gap, but we also have a key low down here, and we have a swing low here. Displaces up, market structure shift, fair value gap. There was also a 30-second chart trade set up here, and I believe there was another 15-second or 30-second chart trade here. Yeah, there you go. Bob's your uncle. That was the trade for the PM session, and it's still, you still would be in there. You still would be in there like swimwear. Let's put an entry on on here, but on, so here it's looking about right here. It's about right. Yeah, would have been right there with a stop below this swing low here. Looking at 222, and where does it take you? There you go. 902. No one know. 902 probably wouldn't have hit yet. Yeah, just about. 902 wouldn't hit yet, but definitely 802. Okay, so that was the business in the PM session. I got the reason why I said it was kind of confusing because those like back-to-back setups, like buying and selling and stuff. But obviously, you have to understand the higher time frame direction and where the higher time frame is going. Okay, but either way, you could have been, post news. Okay, this was the trade. Okay, and this was the trade. This was a trade. If you wanted to get in that one, but I would want to get in that one. I probably wouldn't have been tagged in that one. This would have been a loss for sure. And then this was the trade, obviously, right before cutoff time. Like I said, if it's formed or initiated within that time period, then you're good because we took the sales. Or this one, you definitely would have been in on the seconds chart time frame right here. So you would have been fine and dandy anyway. So yeah, that's why I was like, yeah, I have to get the second chart. I have to have access to that second chart. This could be the sell trade panning out here, but could also be a buy trade panning out here too. So it's about the time right now. And anyway, I'm gonna go brush the teeth and ting and do the skincare, and I'll be back. And I'll be back. M5 trade still holding strong here until this low goes. Okay, this trade is still valid, but this trade would have come and taken you out for sure. This one, which even if it isn't in a time frame, really and truly, and nothing forms in that time frame, so this will have been it. Yeah. Ooh, and I got a bust up. Big a doozy. All right, I'll be back, guys. Um, yeah, I'm gonna try to make it for back for 950, but if I miss a 950 macro, it's all right. BRB. Oh, mate. DJ, this is why I need to wake up a decent enough time to have my morning shit done. So when I get to the desk, I'm fully at the desk and I don't have to leave to come back because I just missed a beautiful 950 macro trade right there. That shit looks sexy. That shit looks sexy as fuck. I know you guys saw it happening. DJ, you witnessed it, right? You saw it. I didn't even need to be here for you to notice that. That one is textbook right there. That is textbook setup right there. There was also a setup here. Key low, swing low, this place is up. No market structure shift. Okay, but we have fair value gap. Obviously, the time gave you this little movement here. I don't trade this time, but that's fine. My trade was right here. We'll talk about it in a second. Let me put it on my sunscreen. Yeah, today I woke up at a decent enough time to have had this done already. And I should have got it done. I don't know why I didn't get it done. I even showed up to the chart a little bit early, you know? Instead of getting there early, I need to have my morning shit done. So I don't have to leave the desk and miss beautiful trades like this. I was watching price on my phone a little bit, but I didn't see that pop on the phone. But anyway, let's dig into it. Let's see it. I don't even have to say anything. I just think you can just tell what I'm gonna say already, innit? You just know what I'm gonna say already, don't you? 950 macro kicks off. We're above a key high. Swing high. This place is back below that key high. This key high as well. Doesn't take market structure shift, but okay, we got liquidity. It takes liquidity above the key high because it's a key high, two key highs anyway. But anyway, fair value gap, fair value gap. I would be gaining this one. Okay. Even -1 up there, but we would have tagged you in that one. But I would be gaining this one. Sexy, sexy textbook ass shit. And I knew some shit was gonna happen 950. I just knew it. I just knew it. And I wanted to come back for nine and watch 950, but I'm like, let me just finish what I started. It's all good though. So goody in the hoodie. As long as I'm able to see it, that's all that matters to me, really and truly. Because there will be more, there will be more, there will be more. Minus, I'm selling, so it's +1, which would be, oh, I'm selling, so it's -1. Yeah, right, 9. Oh, it's 0, 0, 9. -1, then +2, take me to 5, 0. 165. 505 has been smashed. 502 has been smashed already. Got it. Got it. Got it. This is the kind of trades I want. You get in, it comes into the fair value gap, and it shoots right away from the fair value gap. We have a secondary setup here. Key high, swing high. This place is down, causes market structure shift. This one's an A+ setup. Fair value gap, fair value gap. Okay, one closest price is this one. You would have been tagged in it right here. Okay, another beautiful setup there. Da, 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 da. Let's see what the stock looking like on this one. 208, where you would be at. You would have got forward 2 already on that one. You would have got forward 2 already on that one. All right, let's go ahead and note buy side and sell side on the M15 time frame for the open 115 time frame. I'm still my brain is so used to saying that on the for the open range on the 1 minute and the 5 minute time frame because it's been confirmed already. Okay, my brain's so used to saying buy side and sell side on the M15 time frame is on like, excuse me, automatic there. Bless me, I mean open range buy side. That's me. Open range sell side on a 1 minute time frame. The range sell side. What an incredible trade. Buy side is the same on the M5 time frame. So we're gonna head and go and sync it. Sell side is different on the M5 time frame, so it's gonna get its own sell side. 11:30. Let's go open range sell side. Let's sync it and lay out. And there you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. Where you at? Where you at? Now there you go. There you go. Peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly. Say peanut butter jelly. Oh, um, we have a key low here. It's Asia session low. Okay. Let's go ahead and extend that out. Like we did this. There you go. There you go. Peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly. Say peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly with that. I believe it's this one. If I'm not mistaken. I'm not sure which one. I think it's blue, dark blue or something. Yeah, the Asia low there too. Okay, so potential buy set up here. But I'm waiting until 10:15. We'll see. Peanut butter jelly. Well, that was my trade of the morning right there. I missed it though. Peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly. So peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly. All right, so the macro, 850 macro, what did it give us here? Oh, it gave us this, the 15-second chart trade, which gave us 2 take profits. Back to back with it, man. I could be here all day buying and selling, buying and selling. Look at this. Look at this beauty here. Look at this beauty here on the 15-second time frame. Look at this beauty. Look at this beauty right here. Let's see what the 30 seconds say. Same shit. It's even better on the 30-second. Oh, it's even better on the 30-second. Bless me. Sorry. It is what it is. 4-2. Let's see. 4-2, it's in the cards, man. 4-2 was in the cards. Wait, there you go. There you go. Peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly. Say peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly. Oh, we're getting a setup. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. 30 seconds till that 1 minute closes. Let's go in 1 minute because it's 1 minute. It might not tag me in there because we have a buy limit by 2. Let's see. Wasn't confirmed, but definitely in 30 seconds. But I'm not trading on that one yet. So right here, you see that? Bing bang, biggity bosh. Um, 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 I was seeing 15 seconds. Watch. That's way above it, though, isn't it? Way above that high. So it would have been better on the 30 second. And it was clear on 1 minute, so I'm fine with that. But bing bang, biggity bosh. Bing bang, biggity bosh. But obviously, that's not the time I want to be trading. But that was my trade right here. Ah, ah, ah. 10:15 on the way. Let's go. You have open range session sell side on the 5 minute, okay, below price. Where you at? There you go. There you go. Peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly. It's a peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly. Obviously, with the train there. Get ready. Means you can go. Hey, sometimes when the light turns yellow, some people be going. So swing low, displacement back above that kilo, fair value gap, fair value gap. I would have one, two, three, four. Yeah, I would have been this one. There you go. There you go. Peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly. I said peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly. What is also there? But yeah, beautiful, beautiful stuff. Beautiful, beautiful stuff. I'm so happy and I'm so pleased to see my model forming in the charts. Okay, even though I missed it and I didn't engage in it, I'm so happy that it's happening and it's panning out to script. Okay, as expected. We would have been taking out this M5 trade now because that low is gone now. Okay, so as long as this low was intact, okay, this trade was still valid. So all these entries were valid. Were validated by this low not being taken. But now that it's taken, that trade is dead and gone. It's dead and gone, dead and gone. Sexy, sexy stuff. Let's see what the high time frames are saying. Yeah, I've come up into this gap here. Okay, not gap. This fair value gap, SIBI, fair value gap, SIBI. Okay, it's also on the daily time frame as well. But really, my draw is here. Came close to it, but it doesn't need to get to it this week. Okay, or today or tomorrow. Like I said, or this week. Took these buy side. This is a weekly buy side. Weekly buy side. Yeah, is that week, you know? I'll be letting on, letting on. What buy side is that? What weekly buy side is this? Oh, it's right there. Yeah, this one. This candle. Also in the premium, okay, it came into a 20-day, 60-day premium to buy side. Okay, could potentially be coming into a discount sell side here, okay, to keep going higher, but it doesn't have to. It could be coming to this order block as well too. Do also have like quadrant. I'm trying to like, it's my natural voice, man. I'm not playing on music. It always asks me, are you playing music? Put this bitch back on. Protect the eyes, man. Protect the eyes. They are most valuable assets right now in this where we're at. Taking open range buy side on a 5 minute one. 5 minute open sell side. I'm sorry. Open range sell side on a 5 minute. Technically, this is also a setup too. This fair value gap. So, technicalities. About one C coming here. Came into consequent encouragement of open range gap. Hold that. Ooh, I don't think it would have hit it yet. Oh, smashed. 602 smashed. Stop playing with them. Yeah, power to W. 602 smashed. Hulk smash. It wasn't smashed there. It's definitely smashed there. For sure, for sure. All right, let's see 702s in the cards there. He's dead and gone, dead and gone. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. 602. What you telling them? Coming to the M15 order block there is fair value gap. Remember, this was the last line in the sand for this downside movement. All right, we've got market structure shift there. Just waiting on the fair value gap to be confirmed to make this an A plus setup. Fair value gap confirmed there. If this confirms another one, okay, we'll be adjusting that entry. What's the low of this? The low, 8-1. I'm buying, so +1, 8-2. Should be 8-2. That 8-2 right there. Waiting to be tagged in that. Anyone on here? Order filled. All right, tagged in that. Let's go ahead and stop. Two is right there above that candle. Okay, so I accept the risk that comes with this trade here. Okay. I understand that trading comes with real risk and that losing is part of the game. Put a sell limit there for my TP1. Excuse me, sorry. Minus 2 takes me to 5, 6. I think I'm -2 on that one. Hold on. 1, 4, 4. The low of this is 4, 7, 7, 5 minus 2, so it'll be 4, 5. Right there. It takes me out, takes me out. To the side so we can pay attention to price. You potentially have an M15 set up forming here. We take buy side buff key highs. Okay. Swing high, displacement down, market structure shift. Here we have a fair value gap here on the M15. M5. Oh, M5 could have used it already here. That's the only thing I'm worried about with this trade, okay, is that we're having an M15 set up forming in tandem. All right, taking out that trade there. No problems. Losses are the only things promised to traders. I missed the real trade of the day. Okay. That was an attempt to get in. It's fine. It's fine. I'm cool with it. I'm cool with it. That'll force something. Got it. Do not let your account balance drop below this value. Okay. Okay. No problem. Hold on. 702 smashed. Let's go to 8. This one will be going to 7. No problem, no qualms, no worries about that. I ain't even pressed about it. I ain't pressed about it because I would have been in it right here. If I was here, obviously, if I was in front of the charts at the time and I saw this, oh yeah, textbook setup, textbook. Stop playing with them and it's still going. Ooh wee! 802 smash there. I believe it would have been smashed anyway. Looked like it would have smashed it. What loss? Loss where? I'm having too much fun with this crap. Too much fun with this crap. Oh, it is showing. I was wondering, maybe I wasn't paying attention. I saw these on the 5 minute. I'm like, I didn't notice these on my charts, but they are there. When I was looking on my phone, I was like, oh, there's a new week opening gap here, but yeah, it's showing. I wasn't paying attention to what the hell was I looking at? What the hell was I looking at? What is that? Smash there, smash there. Smackarubies. Smashed. Going on to 802 for this one. The other one's on to 902. No 10. Let's go. Do have a weekly low here, so potentially. Okay, let's see what the 1 hour is saying now. Yeah, it's gonna need some powerful. Well, it did come up to a buy side, so yeah. There's nothing here on the M1 hour. Okay, for price. So the next thing is the liquidity. We have this liquidity and this inefficiency down here. Homie's dead and gone, dead and gone. Old me is dead and gone, boy, dead and gone. I just knew some shit like that would happen, right? I will miss the trade, and when I try to get into the next setup, it's gonna take me out. But it is what it is. It is what it is. I should have been here. I should have been here. It's on me. It's on me. It's on me. It's on the trader. Okay, I should have been here. I should have my morning shit already done and dusted. Okay, so when I get here, or at least if it ain't done, I'm waiting till I'm done here to go do them things, right? Preferably, I wanna have them done before I get here. Today, I did wake up at a decent enough time to actually have brush my teeth after my morning routine, brush my teeth, and obviously do my skincare and things, and then come to the desk. It's all on me. It's all on me. Lesson learned. Lesson learned. I'll take it. I'll take it on the chin. Take it on the chin there. Take it on the chin. Old me would have been real pissed, boy, but the old me's dead and gone. Dead and gone. I'm having too much fun today. Oh, shit. It's crazy. I'm not making any money, but like, this is the best my trading has ever been. uh, all right, we've come to I believe, is a PM session low from Wednesday. Right here is in line with consequent encouragement of this new week opening gap there. That's where price is at now, currently. Completely filled in this opening range gap, okay? We've completely filled it in. So up here was below price. We have consequent encouragement, and we have the remainder of the gap. 2, 3, 4. This is the candle I need to see in a fair value gap to be interested here. Two, 3, 4. Oh no, it wouldn't have come and tagged you in though. It wouldn't have come and tagged you in, but do you see that? All right, what's the low of that? Let's see. 1875, you're buying, so you plus one, so it'll be 19. Yeah, it wouldn't have come and tagged you in. Anyway, let's get back on the 1 minute. I'm interested. Like I said, I need to see this candle involved in a fair value gap to be interested. It is involved in a fair value gap, but that's my entry point. If it creates another fair value gap here, okay, that won't be, I will be hesitant on that. Let's see what the lower time frame is. Let's say 50 seconds. Let's get that low. What's that low? It's 21,512.75. 21,512.75. 21,512.75. Probably a 5 second in it. said I didn't want to go lower than the 5 seconds. There was a 5 second trade there. That said, your mama. 202. Begin smash there. Bless me. Oh, I didn't want the 1 second though. Yeah. At this point, it's not going to tag me in this trade. Potential 5 minute trade forming here. Me dead and gone. Back into that. Sorry. 4 hour busy into this order block here. Order block open. Might be a breakaway gap. It might not come down in here. But that's the fourth candle involved in the fair value gap. So I didn't want to take the second one. Right, I need to collect more data on that. We'll see how I feel with that. Me's dead and gone. Dead and gone. Could potentially be getting a setup here. We have a swing low below kilo here. Okay. Market structure shift. Back above that kilo. Okay. If we get a fair value gap here, confirmed, I will be moving that entry there. If this candle confirms a fair value gap, okay, I will be moving the entry. So, see. You're already getting a 30-second chart on trade there. Here's the low. This candle is 7.5. I'm buying, so it should be 7.6. Oh, perfect. Got it. Nailed it on the head there. Obviously, 30 seconds, you already would have been tagged in it because it would have been 1 minus of this candle, and this candle would have tagged you in the trade already. If you know what you're looking for, those seconds charts really are helpful. Bless me. 10:40, trying to get in right before 10:50 macro. We've got 9 minutes until 10:50 macro. Once this 5 minute candle closes, it will confirm a fair value gap here, and we'll see if you have a 5 minute setup there. But we do have this set up right here, okay? If it doesn't come down in here, oh, tagged in that. Watch out, I'm on 1 minute, okay. I want to put it here, but I also want to allow it to come into this fair value gap, so I'll put it here. $102 is above that candle price, okay, so 202. Second bullet of the day, second and last bullet of the day. Okay. I think I'm buying, so I want to do a limit sale for my 1 2, which I believe is up here. Yeah, the stop really and truly should be here. Yeah, let's just stick to the guns. It is what it is if it comes and takes me out. Because that's the trade I'm in now. Okay, so that's the trade I need to respect. What's the low? What's the low? The low is 5575 minus 2, so it should be 53. 553. Let's just have it here. Stop the complication. Oh, wait. Oh, 5. It says minus 2, so it'll be 53. 5375. 5375. Yeah, it will be here. But because we have a lower setup, all right, I have to. Do I have to? Hmm. Now this is a good conundrum. I like this. I like this conundrum, high key, because this is something I need to obviously have something in place for. Because if it's happened once, it can happen again. Really and truly, this is the swing low I'm entering off. So my stop should be below this swing low. But because we have entry points back below that key low, I'm allowing it to be in here, but what about this? This was my original entry on a 1 minute time frame. Oh no 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 no. Yeah, you would be getting taken out of that trade. No, not really, not yet. Still 5 4. It hasn't gone lower than 5 3. 5 3 something. 5375. Oh yeah, definitely be getting taken out there. Like I said, I want to allow it. This might be a breakaway. I want to allow it to give it the opportunity to come in here. This was originally my entry for the 1 minute, okay, where I wanted to get in. Then I saw the secondary setup. But because we have a lower setup below it, yeah, yeah, I haven't met something like this before. So this is interesting actually. If it takes me out, takes me out. I'm done for the day. It is what it is. I'm not gonna cry about it, okay? So I ain't worried about this no more, I'm not worried about none of this no more. But anyway, let's look at the um let's look at the 5 second chart trade here. So 202 hit, you'd be is already at half risk, I believe. No, it's not at half risk already, but anyway. 302. 302 wouldn't have been hit yet. No, 302 is not hit. Hey, if it takes me out, takes me out. I'm done for the day there. That would be a good um price action to tape read and obviously see the outcome. Oh, 5 minute. We have a 5 minute A minus set up there. Okay. Below kilo. We also have a kilo here. PM session low for Wednesday. Okay. Swing low, displacement back above it. Okay, no market structure shift, which makes it A minus setup. Okay, in the fair value gaps right here on the 5 minute time frame. So let's see how that plays out. Yeah, like I said, really and truly, Should have covered this one too, because that was my entry point. But if he goes down there, then that's just like, yeah, that's a real conundrum. I mean, that's a real conundrum. Yeah. So a stop there definitely would have taken me out for sure on that trade. But one, two, fourth candle is involved in the fair value gap, so meaning you can take the one above it too, and the one and cover that one initially. I'm thinking. Because that's what this here is for, the experience, right? So I can obviously hit roadblocks, okay, and come up with procedures and protocols for the next time I hit these roadblocks again, okay? So I'm prepared for it, right? Right now it's my first year with the actually completed model that I'm following, right? So this is me. I back tested it. This is me forward testing it, obviously, to come up with more procedures and protocols because I haven't experienced everything in price right now. I haven't experienced everything that I need to see in price, okay, to like know that hey, when this happens, this is what I'm gonna do, and when that happens, this is what I'm gonna do. Stuff haven't happened yet, okay. Some of these things are like first time occurrence for me, so that's why I'm like, okay, so what am I gonna do here in the future, right? That's what I'm trying to figure out right now. Forget the trade. If it pans out, it pans out. If it doesn't, it doesn't. It is what it is. Right now, it's about putting something in place right now for this I got going on here. So that's where I'm at. So we've got a 5 minute A minus trade going on there. We have a fair value gap up here. That could be a potential draw for right now. Okay. For the 50 minute fair value gap, I meant 50 minute trade right here. Okay, swing high, displacement, market structure shift, fair value gap here. It was still set up on the 15-minute time frame. But this also is a potential M1 setup here. Micro is coming. Micro is coming. Micro 1050 macro is coming. 1, 2, 3. Have a fair value gap here. I want to see that keep price higher. 1050 macro is coming in a couple of seconds, so it's gonna bring in some injection of volatility. Depending, now we'll see which side the volatility will be at. But anyway, back to this conundrum I got going on here. So below kilo, swing low is cleaner on the M5, so it's probably an M5 trade. So when it does this, at M1's fourth candles involved in the fair value gap. M5 can order trade was confirmed at 1040. Yeah. Hmm. I need to think on that. I need to think on that. See what I would do there. We need to think on that and see what I would do there. Like, seems like if you're not in there and it's right before the macro, just wait for the macro. Yeah. Wow, I haven't faced something like this before. It's got me in a chokehold right now. It's got me in a chokehold. That's crazy. All right, taking out that trade there. All right, cool. I learned the lesson from that. Woo wee! Was a series of losses coming in, boys. Series of losses coming in. 1, 2. Oh, just 1, 2. All right, whatever. Cool, cool, cool. Cool. 150, 140. It's the loss I can bear. This would have given you 202. 202 then would have come taking you a half risk that. Oh no. Where's the half risk? 23 half risk is at the low. But I'm seeing okay, like closer to the micro coming up is better off just to wait for the micro. But here anyway, even though it didn't pan out, I still need to figure out what I'm gonna do for next time I encounter a situation like this. Oh. Hey. One of my test doobies caught this cell right here. I'm so happy. Let's go. Let's go. But how would she have put it? Oh, London, London. 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 Let's go. Let me change the colors now. Don't worry, I haven't forgotten what my main task is here. I have to figure out what I'm gonna do here. Trust me, I ain't forget. I don't forget. Let's make it the bright colors. London is here. Well, it'll have to be this one. Okay, it can be pink. That's the brightest. This one I can always see, so I'm fine with that. I have no qualms with the session, the lunch session. Could be bright though. Let's try that and see. And yep. Oh, mashing TPs out here. Stop playing with them. 902, no one know. 1002. What you telling them? 902. Are you on the cards today? Are you my friend? Let me see the I want to see what the lunch session looks like. It's the only one I can't see. Okay, yeah, I'm fine with that. Just do that. I like those colors. It's a great day. It's a great day. What a time to be alive. To understand these candlesticks. What a time to be alive. Taking a weekly low here. Yeah. Let's go ahead and add it to the rest of them. It's going bright. It's going bright. It's going bright. Are you my friend? Are we locked in? Then stare this way. Stare this way. Let's get the bright, bright colors. So we can see them, you know what I'm saying? So they're bright. Because right now, some of it is dog as shit. You can take that. That's fine. To be the ones I just drew on there. Oh, oh, oh. 10:02 smash there. 10:02 smash there. Bing bang biggity bosh. Are you my friend? Are we locked in? Then step this way. Step this way. I do I even need to keep going? God damn, bless me. Bless me. What I make that? 11:02. Smashed it. Does it trade two and three though? Doesn't trade two and three. It doesn't trade two and three. I don't see it coming up above it, so doesn't trade two. Trades to it, just not through it. Okay. That would have been a good setup there too, right here. I'm even more happy that my test doobie caught that trade. That's crazy. We have PM session, but sell side below price. Are you my friend? Are we laughing? Step this way. Step this way. Right here is a good trade. Boom. Loss. I think that's why I took my loss, my first loss, right? Yeah. Boom. Loss. This was a complicated one. Yeah, let's get back to this one. Okay, so moving forward, right? Procedures and protocols in place for this. Um, it was a kilo here. It was a PM session sell side from Wednesday, which is too bad because it's in within the last 3 days. Okay. Fourth candle is involved in the fair value gap. My entry would have I would have want my entry to be in here. But then I saw this swing low, okay, below this kilo, displacement upside, market structure shift, fair value gap. There's been opportunities, well, there's been instances where it doesn't come down to the first one, but it takes this one and goes. Bless me. Got it. I'm getting a potential up here. Okay, okay. I didn't see what the lowest the low. 6.3, we're buying, so 6.475. No, no, no. Right there, 6.475. All right, yeah. But I'm not sure if it comes above that kilo there though. So that would be over there. Oh, set my stop loss and things. It was the low, 3.475 minus 2 should be 3.275, 3.2. Whatever here is fine. 102 is just about right above that candle. Okay, so go 202. We've got a market structure shift there. Okay, making that A plus. Tagged in there. What time? It's 11:08. If not at the 11:07 candle, 11:08 for sure. Let's get TP1 ready to go. I'm buying, so I want to do a sell limit at one. No, no, no. He was just about there, if I'm not mistaken. It's about right. It might be like trying to catch a falling knife today, you know what I'm saying? I'm back into yesterday's AM session, sell side as well. After this, I'm gonna do a trade performance review and be done for today. It's been an amazing morning. Even though it took two losses, it's still been an incredible morning for me. I'm not even gonna lie, like it's been good. Because this setup right here was too sexy, boy, and I would have been done for the day. We would have been finishing up at like around 10, god damn it. uh, 5 8, Coral Springs, yep, yep, yep. Let me get that. Um, Thursday, January. Oh, mate, did I rob myself? One of them was 89 and I did put 99. Oh no, this is 12/11. This 158 is finally being paid. Oh, okay. Our time. 158. Finally got you. Still waiting on you right here. Done, done, done. Done, done, done. This I'm waiting on. This I'm waiting on. Oh, should have been an arbiter, right? Let's see. Haven't got nothing on that yet. Still waiting on that. Other than that, Wednesday, was this something? January 13th or January 22. I'll give up paperwork down. Waiting on that too. Oh, got this one, so that's cool. Corresponding to they were not responding. QQ, waiting on that. Describe that. 89. Add 188. Add 89. $366 more for me. As I said before, make it 440. I need all of my money. I need all of it. All right, let's do a trade performance review because I've used up my 2 bullets anyway. There's no need for me to be here. Taking another loss. It's crazy. It's just going down, down, down. Baby, are you down, 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 down? Even if the sky is falling down, down. Yeah, trade performance review and let's get out of here because that's it, man. That's it, man. No more, no more, no more, no more, no more. All right, so what I did well today, I showed up today. Okay, I got 1% better. I learned a lesson and I gained experience in the market. Okay. Um, woke up a decent hour, okay, got my morning routine in. Yeah, so that's why I did well today. Where I fall short today is I'm gonna put that as not as falling short. Where I fall short today was not having all of my morning routine done before showing up to the desk, right? Like my brushing my teeth for my skincare. Okay, I need to start having that done before I come to the desk. Okay, and if it's not done, I'm gonna have to wait till post my session is done to worry about doing all that stuff. Okay, because my attention needs to be here when it's trading hours. Okay, because this was a nice, sexy trade. This would have been my trade of the day. It was clean, textbook. Okay, there was nothing to argue. Even if you missed this one because it wasn't an A plus, it gave you an A plus up right after that. Okay. Hey, hey, hey. Would I have tagged you in there? What was I seeing there? What was I seeing? Okay, hold on. Let's see if you would have got tagged in this if you minus the one. I'm selling. So it is -1, 6. Yeah, I would have tagged you in there. Let's see. What's the high? The high of this 6775. So we'll be looking at six. Gaga. Hold up. 76.75. 76.2. Yeah, it doesn't tag you in there. I don't know. I thought I saw this one going above it. I don't think it would have tagged you in this couple of ticks. 7 point. Yeah, definitely wouldn't have tagged you in that. But anyway, that was a trade here. The bing bang biggity bosh. Anyway, this one hit. What? Where we at? We're heading to TP12, I believe. Yeah, TP12. Bing bang bosh. But anyway, yeah. Sexy trade. All right. During the macro, during the time I want to be seeing, those kind of movements. All right. So yeah. So that's why I felt sure, okay, not having my morning routine done enough, or before getting to the desk and missing this beautiful, sexy trade, that would have been it for me for the day, and it would have avoided me taking using my two bullets, okay, on not useless trades, but still models, okay, but I would have obviously used my bullet and I would have been done, would have avoided these losses here, okay, so. That was on me. That was on the trader. I fell short there. That's I 100% take responsibility for that. Okay, that's nobody's fault but my own. Okay, and I'm gonna have to live with the two losses that I took today. Okay, and I accept it. Okay, so it's all on me. So how I can improve for the next trading day? Like I just said, just make sure my morning routine is done before I come to the desk. And if it's not done, okay, wait till I'm done here. Okay, to then go and do it. Or I know I have to be in front of the chart during the macro time. During this time, okay, I should just came back here to here. I'm good. I'm good to do what I want to do from 9:10 all the way to 9:50. Okay, I'm good to do what I want to do. And if I need to do it, then I can do it during that time frame. But I need to be in front of the charts for that 9:50 macro. Okay, just in case a setup forms just like it did today in there. But yeah, so yeah, that's how I can improve. I can improve for the next trade or next trading day. Okay. But overall, I'm pleased with my performance today. Okay. Obviously there's still room for improvements. Yeah, I didn't take any trades outside of the model. Okay. Oh, how I can improve the next trading day is if I have a lower setup, right? And then there's a setup that forms above price. Yeah, it's fair, man. Because there's been times where it doesn't come down in here, but then it uses this one. If it's strong, obviously in that direction, right? If it's strong, and today it wasn't strong, it's clearly a bearish morning session. So yeah, potentially could be getting a setup here now. Swing low, below kilo, multiple kilos there. Okay, displacement to the upside, market structure shift above the kilo. This kilo too, market structure shift. All right, we have a fair value gap here, fair value gap here. But keep an eye on it. Obviously, it's outside the trading times that I want to be getting into trades, but I'll be keeping an eye on it there. Okay, so M5 trade setting up there. Market structure shift below kilo. Okay, when this candle closes, oh no, well, we're still waiting for a fair value gap to be confirmed on the M5, but we have a market structure shift with a swing low. But yeah, so if I have I don't know, I need to ponder more on this because I've had situations where it doesn't come down to the lowest one and it just happens to take this one and go. Obviously, I'm not always gonna be on the winning side with these trades of the setup, even though I'm following the setup to the T. Okay, I have to understand that I'm not always gonna be on the winning side. Losses are the only things promised to traders. Okay, so that's it, and that's all part of the game. You have to understand that, and you just have to prepare for that, okay, and just manage your risk enough that when you take a loss, it doesn't obviously take you out the game. And obviously, with a 100K account, okay, losing $150 altogether, what I lost what today, $290. Yeah, losing $290. It's not even close to 1% of the total account size. Okay, so either way. I'm still within the risk parameters of my risk management model. Okay. Obviously it's a funded account and they have their own bullshit they got going on and stuff. So I'm trying to keep up with that. But in terms of real life trading and real money trading, 100K account losing 290%. I mean, $290 is what point zero 29.29% of the account, right? So it's it's minuscule. It's not even one. It's not even close to half of 1% of the account, right? So that's a loss that I can take if I have a 100K account of real money. That's a loss I can take and keep taking and keep taking and keep taking. So I'm not worried about it. I'm I'm not really stressed about it right now. Okay, so I know I'm in line. I'm in tune with my risk to reward model. Okay, and I'm keeping it at the forefront of my mind. Just trading a funded account is different, but obviously I'm preparing for live trading with real money and not have the stipulations that funded accounts have on you, which is obviously in place to not let the trader win, right? Because obviously their model depends on traders losing so they can make money in terms of people resetting and obviously buying more challenges. But aside from that, I'm pleased with my performance today. Okay, I'm very pleased. I'm very happy with the way that I'm thinking about trading now and that my mindset is like I'm on a different level. I'm paying more attention to the risk side of trading, okay, which is the most important, the holy grail of trading. Like I said, the three pillars: money and mindset, risk management, and then trading edge. Okay, so that's where I'm at. That's what I've been focusing on. So I'm pleased with myself. All in all, I'm happy with my performance today. I'm happy I showed up to got 1% better. Okay, gain experience in price action. Okay, I really thought like this candle was higher than that. I thought it was a secondary sell, but it wasn't a secondary sell. But it's just a setup. But anyway, it happens. It's all good. I still would have been in this one anyway. Um, but yeah. So yeah. Oh, and it will be fine for A minus here because okay, we're taking liquidity above a key high, even though the two key highs being taken above. This is a key high, and it's taking liquidity above it. So remember, this protocol says if liquidity is taken, then A minus setup is perfectly okay. And then obviously the time is just immaculate. All right. Okay. Yeah. All right. Cool. So all in all, I'm happy. I'm pleased. Even if I lose this account here, okay, I'm not worried about it anymore. I'm not even stressed about the money at this point. Okay. Even though I need it in my real life, obviously, to pay my bills and meet my ends, I'm not focusing on this to provide me that at this point in time. Okay. That's why I'm still working. All right, because this is not where it needs to be to cover those things. But I'm getting there. I'm working on getting there, okay? And that's the goal and that's the plan. So, yeah, all in all, happy, pleased with my performance today. I will be upgrading my TradingView account to premium, okay, to have access so I can have access to the seconds chart, all right? Because obviously I'm seeing I'm seeing some good setups on the seconds chart there. Okay, that obviously I'm missing on my 1 minute time frames and my 5 minute time frame. Okay. Oh, what is this? Hold on, was there a low there? Ah! Hold on. I need to know if it trades back above that low though. I need to know if it trades back above that low. Hold on before we get at it. 45575. 455. 455. 45575. Are you my friend? Are we locked in? Then step this way, step this way, step this way, step this way. You see that, right? I know you guys see. Hold on, let me make it clear and obvious for you before I get out of here. 455, 445, 445, 7 5 or some shit like that. 445, 7 5, 445, 7. That is the kilo from yesterday morning session. Right here, right here, right here. Okay, that's the kilo there. That's the kilo there. And we see the 30 seconds chart. What do you see on the 30 seconds chart? What do you see on the 30 seconds chart? Ooh, 11:15. You know what? I need to collect data on that. But the 11:15, it's not just the 10:15, 12:15, 2:15, and 3:15 I have. It's 15 of every hour on the hour. Oh my God. Oh my God. All right, but you guys see it, right? I don't need to like obviously do the ting, the ting, the ting, the bang, the ting, the ting, the ting, the ting. You see it though, right? You see it, right? And at the time, 11:15 at the time. Cool, cool, cool. What's that risk? 65. Where we at on that trade? 402. Definitely hit 402. So let's see. Let's see what the profit potential potential. What the potential profit would have been. I think it would have been like the same as this, right? Yeah, it's 65. So obviously it's this technically the same. Oh, yeah, while I was on the toilet. I thought about it and I already know what the risk is initially, right? It's $600. Because I did 65. If it comes and takes me out at 18 with my stop loss there, it's $600. But my thought process, if I half it, obviously it will be half of this will be at $300. So yeah, okay. So I don't really need to calculate um yeah, I don't need this part. I don't need this part. Um, because my risk per trade is already determined and is here already. So 65, we'll be looking at four take profits, 1600. Yeah. Are you my friend? Are we locked in? Yo, stop. Somebody tell them stop playing with me, bro. Trading View. I'm on your ass this weekend. I'm upgrading. You got me. I'm there. We're in it. We're in it for somewhere. Premium. I'm coming for you. But anyway, what was I gonna say? Fudge cakes. Yeah, Top Step, you have no idea what's coming. You have no idea what's coming. You have no I freaking idea what's coming to you. Woo wee! Look at that. Sexy, sexy stuff. Sexy, sexy stuff. Too good. Too nice. Woo! Just this morning alone, man. One, two, three, four. Fucking hell, mate. Somebody stop them. Somebody stop them crazies. Stop them crazies. I don't know. 5 second chart is not for me. I'm not doing it. If it's not on the 15 seconds or 30 seconds, 502 smash, it's not for me. It's not for me. 602. Come on, man. Catching it back and forth in this bitch. Back and forth in this bitch. Up, down, like a motherfucking yo-yo. Like a motherfucking yo-yo. Yo, no yo. Okay, whatever. This is going on for too long. We out, DJ. DJ, we out. We out. I'll see you tomorrow here at 8:15. Fuck it, we ball. We out here. Tomorrow 8:15. All right, so yeah. I'm happy and pleased with my performance. Okay. Like I said, I'm not worried about that Top Step account. I'm not worried about the money. Even though I need it, I'm not worried about it. I'm not relying on this to make it for me right now. Okay. So like I said, the 100K account, my risk parameters, I'm still in there losing $290 on the 100K account. That's small bites. A little tiny ant bite. I can handle those all day, every day, right? With the potential that's obviously at risk now. Even so, like when I go live with real money, I have my risk per trade already like set in stone. Okay, it's 2% of 30% of the account. Bing bang bosh. So I'm always going to be losing $600 regardless. All right, which is I believe is less than 1% of their whole account. 600 divided by 100K 100. Yeah, it's about 0.6% of the account per trade I'm putting to risk, which is still below 1%, still below industry standard of 2%. Okay, so yeah. Anyway, DJ, we out. See you tomorrow at 8:15. Thank you. I'm proud of you, young lady. Keep doing what you're doing. Even though you're taking losses, you're taking on the chin, all right? Because you're following, and nothing wrong with them losses. Okay, we understand that they're the only things promised to traders. As long as you're following the model, the procedures, and the protocols, you're doing the fine, dandy job. Okay, don't worry about the results right now. Okay, it will come. All right, DJ, thank you. See you tomorrow, 8:15. Adios. Happy hunting.